Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 BMW R1250 GS Rallye. This bike is fully loaded. It's got a lot of accessories, only 1,800 miles. You know how you always wanted to buy one of these, but you didn't want to spend the money? Well, this is the one. Only $18,999. The thing's got a lot of nice high-end accessories, including these engine guards, the hand guards, the navigation, windscreen, light racing windscreen, the Vario adjustable cases, left and right. It's got the crash bars, as I mentioned. Beautiful condition, 1,800 miles. The thing is ready to go and save thousands over the price of a new one with all this equipment. Come on by and make your BMW GS Rallye dreams come true for just $18,999. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.